my god! Oh my god!
Yes, 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 come on.
Oh my
Yes.
god!
Yes! Yes!
Jesus Christ! Oh! He didn't touch his stomach. Oh my god! No! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Tay, out the car, Tay!
Yeah.
Down, Tay!
Ow, no, run.
So the Confederates, as I mentioned, left these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh my god!
Really looked like that Veloster sped up to block.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy sh!
Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck. You didn't have to, I knew. You're not the first
Yeah.
responder of shipwreck
Worthy.
island. This is shipwreck, yes. And the most amusing spot, I guarantee. That's Daniel.
Wow. Oh my god.
All three vehicles involved are driven by people who don't deserve licenses. I think so. How about you?
No, they don't count. I used to don't get insurance.
When the 2022 Mustang meets the 2003 Porsche Boxster S,
I'm gonna hit my feet.
Holy crap.
Harold, você gostaria de ver uma...
Não, cara, não, porque o próprio rate lâmpada, né? E aí você percebe que tudo que ele constrói.
God.
That was crazy.
Can I get a pardon on here?
Whatever, man.
Can I call on a post code 1919 post code?
شادي ميجر 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 11 وشبر 11 وشبر محل ما بنوقف هاي
I thought everything was normal, but it seemed like the driver was distracted, causing him to stray from the lane.
Ready?
Ready? Yes.
Well, right now it's in practice mode. Ooh, what an... Oh, man. He thought it was a guy for us, so he slammed into the truck in front of him.
Where?
Oh my god.
If you miss a turn, don't try to pass. Just go to the next light and turn around.
Careful, there's a car. Do you not see this? Don't stare at me. What are you doing? No! No! Go! Look at all this! Go! Yeah, you're gonna go out of your fucking way. I'm not gonna let your ass make a U-turn.
Yeah. What? What? Wait, how do we know? What place didn't go past us? Honey, how do we know this man?
Can I help you? Can I help you? Get back in your fucking car. Get back in your car.
It's a green light!
Bro, he just cut us off and tried to hit us. Bro, I ain't doing this. Bro.
Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, aren't we a hard guy? Car. Yep. Yeah.
For someone to be that out of control is deeply disturbing.
Go on, keep going.
Your driving that affects other people will make them very uncomfortable. More serious at 16.
Ué, monacito, ué. Saca, não está sem ganhar.
Friend. The hell are you doing?
Man, that car is.
I took all this money and it was a plan. Oh, just what?
If he hadn't paused to argue, he could have overtaken the garbage truck and continued his journey.
Salamat. What are you up?
Want to play tough guy? Someone is hitting my husband.
You want to play tough guy, right? You want
Yobo, someone is hitting my husband. Yeah. Hi, who are you? Hi, who are you?
I don't know what problem she encountered, but stopping in the middle of the road was really difficult for her and for other drivers.
that makes sense. Shut up! You don't get a through. We're gonna be all right here. All we need is shut up! This poultice doesn't work. It never works. Are you insane? Get some alcohol on this. There's no funny about that. You were born during a prohibition.
This is a video to teach all you truck drivers, all you guys pulling trailers, to always watch your speed. This poor guy, he probably caused himself a heart attack right here. Look at this. That's a good 2 feet off the ground. Those tires are up there. That trailer wanted to go over. Hey everybody, be safe out there. Remember, we all share.
Oh my god.
Hey, are you still driving like that and haven't received any valuable lessons from this reckless lane stealing action, right?
Cheap traffic.
Whistleblowers revealed that U.S. is responsible for tampering. Well, then speed up and go!
I know, speed up then! Don't run into me!
You cannot reason with these unreasonable people. Keep calm and keep moving.
We have you on camera!
You're on camera, by the way.
Give me 1 meter distance.
You
I have 1 meter.
Why'd you just hit me?
I have 1 meter distance. I was just second one camera. Just second one
You were
camera.
this close to me. You can't be that close. You
I
got
have
further
1
away.
meter. I have 1 meter distance.
Okay, pull over, man. I want your insurance information.
I have 1 meter distance. So
But you hit me. Yes, because you're so close.
oh, no.
Are you okay? Your car's okay? Yeah, okay, whatever.
Don't be surprised by what happens next, because when you realize the problem, your chances of staying safe are few and far between.
Video active.
我录。
司机去报警，有一电话，要走，就要跟他一环境。